Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series. And in this session number 17, we are discussing some more properties about the text, and that was word spacing. Lastly, in the last lecture, we are discussing the how to increase the space between the two letters, and this is the how to increase the space between the word between two words. Uh, Space between two words. For this thing, we will use the property word spacing. So rather than to use letter spacing, I'm just going to either we can use a div word class making a spacing, and in this I'm using the property of word spacing and use some kind of 25 pixel here. Okay, now I am creating another heading. Okay, h2 word spacing. Now we use the class and paragraph class is equal to spacing. Okay, we use the class here p. In this class you can see that the space between the two words is exactly 25 pixels. So if you want to add the space between the two words, then you will use the word spacing rather than spacing rather than to use the letter spacing. Okay, we save it and just refresh our page. You can see exactly the difference between the word spacing and the letter spacing. Okay, if we just remove this property letter spacing here, then you can see that, and you can also see the property of inheritance also implement that. If you are not giving the property in the class, then right to left direction was almost implemented on the paragraph. Okay, so this is the clear situation that where you want to use the letter spacing and the word spacing. Okay, the next property which we want to discuss is set the text indent. Indent is that when you write something and you want a space between in the first line of the code, then you use the text indent. So just implement this code, and for this thing I am just moving this direction right to left. Refresh this page. Okay, first of all I am implementing the text indent property on this line. For this thing I am just going and add a new h3. Okay, h2 is good. Text indent. Okay. In this paragraph, if you want to add the space of the in the first line of the paragraph and then you will need to add the property of the property of the text indent. You always see this property in the different English magazines. The start of the first paragraph left some spaces in the start. This is the text indent. Okay. Now I am using a class text indent, and I am using the property of change override the property color, and I will use some more different colors there. Text property text indent. I'm using the pixel 35 pixel. Okay, just I control S, and now refresh this. Yes, I remove this property because before I just go to and refresh this page and see the normal paragraph, and after that we will see the text indent property, text indent property, and we will use this property in the class here, the implement class, and it was text indent. Now save this, and always try to make this is the space, this is called the space. It was only implemented in the first line. I will increase some indent more. Okay. Now you can see that this is the 100. So this will implement only the first line and not in the next line. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.